This video is courtesy of BrainyBuyer.com, your shortcut to smarter shopping. If these deep dive comparisons help you pick the perfect gear, show some love with a quick subscribe. So I'm trying to decide between the Weber Q1000 and the Nexgrill 3-burner. What do you think?
Okay, let's dive in. The Weber Q1000 is definitely the more portable option. It only weighs 27.5 pounds compared to the Nexgrill's hefty 82.9 pounds.
Yeah, portability is a plus for me. But what about cooking space?
That's where the Nexgrill shines. It boasts a total of 591.05 square inches, including the warming rack, while the Weber only offers 189. That's a significant difference if you're cooking for larger groups.
True. I do have family gatherings sometimes. How about power?
The Nexgrill has 3 burners producing 40,500 BTUs total, giving each burner 13,500 BTUs. The Weber has 1 burner putting out 8,500 BTUs, so the Nexgrill definitely packs more heat.
More heat could be nice. What about the grates themselves?
Both have porcelain-coated cast iron grates, which are good for even heat distribution and easy cleaning. However, the Weber has split grates, and you can replace one with a griddle, which could be a cool option.
Oh, that griddle thing is interesting. What about ignition?
Both grills offer push-button or electric ignition for easy starts. The Nexgrill has a 1-button ignition.
Okay, so the Nexgrill is bigger and more powerful, but the Weber is more portable and has that griddle option. What about materials?
The Nexgrill has a stainless steel frame and firebox, which should be durable. The Weber uses cast aluminum for the lid and body, which is lightweight and also pretty tough.
What about reviews?
The Weber Q1000 has over 4,500 reviews and a 4.7-star rating, so it's a pretty well-loved grill. The Nexgrill only has 47 reviews and a 3.8-star rating.
Wow, that's a big difference in review counts and ratings. Is one better for smaller spaces?
Definitely the Weber. It is smaller and designed for portability. The Nexgrill is a full-sized grill with foldable side shelves.
Okay, so it sounds like it boils down to portability versus cooking space and power. Thanks. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.